guys, welcome to my tube. My name is Nathina Antoinette. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. We are going to be doing some waxing. We are going to try the LANSLEY waxing kit. Of course, I got this from Amazon because Amazon is life, especially when you live in a town and you don't even have a Target here. Our closest Target is literally like 47 minutes away. If you drive it, right? Probably about 40. But yeah, this is $25 on Amazon. I'm gonna tell you why I got it. $25. You get your whole wax warmer itself. Of course, I have the lid. You have your pan in there. You also get the covers to go around the lid to keep, you know, the wax from dripping down and getting messy. I had problems with that with my last one. You also get a couple pairs of gloves. You get a before treatment and an after treatment, and they come with little spray bottle tops with a spray there you go. They come with a spray applicator. Very handy. You get 2 sizes of the wooden sticks. Big, small. You get not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 packs of wax beads. So these 3 are the regular small wax beads. This is hard wax, so you don't require any strips. And you get these. They're like hockey puck disc. I've never seen these before. It's like, see? So you get these as well. All of this for $25. You can't beat it, right? So let's go ahead and hook this up and give it a test because your girl's legs are really super hairy. Use these first. So it's on. I'm gonna put it to, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it all the way up so it can go ahead and melt first. If you can see, that light is on. So let's put the top on and wait it out. In the meantime, while that is a brewing, I exfoliated. Last time I exfoliated my legs was about 2 days ago, because you don't want to do your exfoliation too close to when you're waxing because you could potentially damage your skin. So I am going to try their before and after wax treatment. This is the pre-wax treatment spray, and it does have tea tree oil in there, which is great. And the direction says, spray onto area to be waxed and then remove excess product with either cotton wool or dry tissue. So that's what we're going to do. As you can see, very furry. So I'll just give it a few sprays. So still make sure you're doing your pre-wax treatments at least a couple days before, exfoliating and making sure you're keeping your skin nice and moisturized, especially during these cooler months, because our skin gets dry and we're actually causing a lot of tension on our skin when we're pulling that wax off, and we don't want to have any breakage or any damage like that to our skin. So make sure you prep yourself well before you wax. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and everything looks very melted. So I'm gonna turn this down some to about, let's say 190. We don't want our wax too hot. If it's like that, it's definitely too hot. Trust me, I burned myself a lot to know. So I'm gonna let this cool a bit. All right, let's get some wax. Let it dry a bit. So you can't see, but it works. And I'm not going over where I already waxed. There's no point. It pulled out all of the hair on the first try. There you go. Nice and smooth. Okay, so after you wax, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this. I'm not gonna do my entire leg. Then you just massage that in. That is super moisturizing. It has lavender oil in it. And that is the after wax treatment. This is definitely a good purchase. It works. The wax is hard wax, so it's absolutely painless. In my opinion, for me, it's painless. Definitely on your legs. I wonder how environmentally friendly this is versus like shaving or the electric razor or the other wax that you use the strips with. Well, I'm pretty sure it's more environmentally friendly and economically friendly versus the strips, because you don't have that paper or the cloth that's, being thrown away. You just have the wax. I'm going to look into that. But in the meantime, I am going to watch the news and finish waxing my legs. I am going to put the link to where I got this wax kit from in the description. And yeah, it's almost Christmas, you guys. $25. Get them the whole wax kit with the before and after spray. 4 things of wax these. This will last a good amount of time. I highly recommend it. It's too big to be a stocking stuffer, but definitely a great gift. So make sure you check that out. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my previous videos. Love you guys. Bye.